Disconnect the power prior to disassembly. Use the disassembly instructions provided in this video first. Detach all water connections. It is not necessary to remove the balance weights. Instead of hose clamp pliers, you can use a regular set of pliers as well. The 3D multi-assembly hose is held by two hose clamps. Use the LG jig to detach the spring and gently remove the gasket. Remove the 3D multi-assembly. For assembly, do the same in the reverse order.